Did you know about these hidden benefits of avocados? Perhaps you've heard they are healthy, but how much do you truly know about this creamy green fruit? Avocados, you see, are not just a delicious addition to your salad or a key ingredient for your guacamole. They are a powerhouse of nutrients, packed with a multitude of benefits that are often overlooked. Imagine a fruit that aids digestion, boosts heart health, supports weight loss, enhances eye health, improves sleep, boosts nutrient absorption, and fights inflammation. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? This is the humble avocado for you. And we're about to delve deeper into these 7 benefits that are so often hidden from the limelight. So buckle up and prepare to have your mind blown by the phenomenal potential of this often underappreciated fruit. Stay tuned to uncover the secret benefits dietitians don't often reveal about avocados. It's time to let the avocado shine in all its glory. Firstly, avocados can tremendously aid your digestion. This superfood is packed with fiber, an essential nutrient that supports a healthy digestive system. A single avocado contains around 25% of your daily fiber needs. This fiber not only helps food move smoothly through your digestive tract, promoting regular bowel movements, but also feeds the good bacteria in your gut. This symbiotic relationship helps maintain a healthy gut environment. So avocados can make your digestive system's job a lot easier. Secondly, avocados are a friend to your heart. This creamy fruit is packed with monounsaturated fats, the good kind of fat that your heart loves. These fats help lower levels of low-density lipoprotein, or what we commonly know as bad cholesterol. They also contribute to raising the high-density lipoprotein, the good cholesterol. This balance is vital for a healthy heart. So by incorporating avocados into your meals, you're not just delighting your taste buds, but also making a heart-smart choice. Thirdly, believe it or not, avocados can help you shed some pounds. This creamy green fruit is packed with fiber, which keeps your stomach satisfied longer. No more unnecessary snacking. Plus, the healthy fats in avocados slow down digestion, meaning you're less likely to reach for a second helping. They're nature's way of saying, hey, take it easy, you're full. And the best part? You're not sacrificing flavor for fitness. So, avocados can indeed be a tasty weight loss companion. Fourthly, avocados are a boon for your eyes. These delectable green fruits are packed with antioxidants, specifically lutein and zeaxanthin. Now, why should you care about these tongue-twisting compounds? Well, they play a crucial role in maintaining your eye health. They help filter out harmful blue light and reduce your risk of developing age-related eye disorders. So next time you're enjoying that guacamole, remember you're not just satisfying your taste buds, but also doing a solid favor for your eyes. To protect those peepers, consider adding more avocados to your diet. Fifthly, avocados can help you catch more Z's. This creamy fruit is packed with magnesium, a mineral known for its sleep-enhancing properties. Magnesium works by relaxing your muscles and calming your nervous system, making it easier for you to drift off into a peaceful slumber. It's like a natural lullaby for your body. So if you've been tossing and turning at night, adding avocados to your dinner menu might be worth a shot. So avocados might just be your ticket to a good night's sleep. Sixthly, avocados can help your body absorb more nutrients. You see, the healthy fats found in avocados play a crucial role in the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients. These include vitamins A, D, E, and K, which are essential for our overall health. When you consume these vitamins with avocado, the fat content enhances their absorption, allowing your body to take in more of these vital nutrients. It's like a boost for your meal. So avocados can help ensure you're getting the most out of your meals. Lastly, avocados are warriors against inflammation. These creamy green gems are packed with monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Monounsaturated fats are healthy fats that can help decrease inflammation levels within the body. Moreover, the antioxidants present in avocados, such as vitamins E and C, work tirelessly to fight against free radicals that cause inflammation. They essentially act like a cleanup crew for your body, helping to maintain a balanced and healthy system. So, avocados could be a powerful ally in your fight against inflammation. So, there you have it. 7 hidden benefits of avocados. We've dived into how this superfood aids digestion, making it a great addition to your evening meals. We've seen how it boosts heart health, supports weight loss, and even enhances your eye health. Remember, that's not all. Avocados are also a secret weapon for better sleep, providing you with the nutrients your body needs to rest and recover. Plus, they're a powerhouse when it comes to boosting nutrient absorption, ensuring you're getting the most out of your meals. And let's not forget, they're a fantastic ally in the fight against inflammation. Avocados are truly a versatile and nutritious addition to your diet, so why not incorporate them into your routine? You'll be amazed at the benefits they can bring to your health. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Remember, avocados offer much more than just guacamole.